Transferring money from RBC to CIBC account is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from RBC to CIBC account, you have to open up its RBC Royal Bank website. Now from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money between your accounts. To transfer money between accounts in the mobile app, online banking, and ATM, you can select the option of your choice. If you tap on online banking, there are methods given to follow. Then, to transfer money between accounts at an ATM, you have to tap ATM options. And there are methods given for fund transfer. If you follow the steps I described, you will easily transfer money from RBC to CIBC. Make sure you have the correct CIBC account information, including the account number, transit number, and branch information, to ensure that the transfer is successful. The specific steps and options for transferring money may vary depending on your location, your type of accounts, and services offered by your banks. So it's advisable to contact your bank's customer service if you encounter any issues.